Fresh juice was poured carefully into the glass. Fresh juice was poured carefully into the glass.
Warm bread filled the house with pleasant aroma. Warm bread filled the house with pleasant aroma.
Harsh deserts challenge travelers facing extreme unpredictable conditions. Harsh deserts challenge travelers facing extreme unpredictable conditions.
Lecture halls become crowded during important midterm weeks. Lecture halls become crowded during important midterm weeks.
Study corners reduce distractions during high-focus learning. Study corners reduce distractions during high-focus learning.
Small tents stood firmly under the tall trees. Small tents stood firmly under the tall trees.
Warm days motivate runners to increase speed and endurance. Warm days motivate runners to increase speed and endurance.
Global teamwork solves challenges requiring collective coordinated effort. Global teamwork solves challenges requiring collective coordinated effort.
Calm teachers help students understand hard math terms. Calm teachers help students understand hard math terms.
Mobile apps help track assignment deadlines. Mobile apps help track assignment deadlines.
Soft feathers covered the sleeping birds in the nest. Soft feathers covered the sleeping birds in the nest.
Students explore topics using interactive virtual classroom activities. Students explore topics using interactive virtual classroom activities.
Calm coaches encouraged players during the tough match. Calm coaches encouraged players during the tough match.
Dark rooms help experiments involving light. Dark rooms help experiments involving light.
Some learners progress faster than others. Some learners progress faster than others.
Young readers enjoyed stories in the school library. Young readers enjoyed stories in the school library.
Class monitors assist teachers by maintaining discipline daily. Class monitors assist teachers by maintaining discipline daily.
Skilled sailors navigate storms, showing courage under pressure. Skilled sailors navigate storms, showing courage under pressure.
Snowflakes fall softly, creating magical, peaceful winter scenery everywhere. Snowflakes fall softly, creating magical, peaceful winter scenery everywhere.
Most students choose electives carefully. Most students choose electives carefully.
Enjoying this? Hit that subscribe button and join the fun. Enjoying this? Hit that subscribe button and join the fun.
Did this video help you with your PTE preparation? Show your love by smashing the like button, sharing it with others who are preparing, and subscribing to our channel for more helpful content. Let's conquer the PTE together.